Hey guys, good morning. तो कैसी लगी मेरी acting? I hope you enjoyed my acting and you can think that I can become an actor. Just kidding, guys. So today is Saturday and I am going to go to Bongo Bazaar. Let me turn on the light first, and yeah, maybe I will. Okay, so maybe I will upload this video on Thursday or Friday, because this video is going to be a video in which you will get to know the price of dal, rajma, chole, chawal, all the household ingredients in Japan. And I know a lot of people have these questions, that what are the prices of Indian stuff like chole, rajma and all in Japan. So today I'm going to go to Bongo Bazaar, which is at Misato, which is around 20 to 25 kilometers, not kilometers, 20 to 25 minutes from my place by bicycle. Okay, so I'm going to take you there, and all the masalas I'm going to show you, the price, the chai patti price, so that if you are coming to Japan, or if any of your friend coming to Japan, you can either forward this video to him or her, or you can tell them that this is the price, I saw it in a video. Okay, so let me just wash my face and do brushing and all, and then we will go to Bongo Bazaar. And you know, about Bongo Bazaar, I have to tell you some important things, some interesting things, which I'm going to tell you on the way. So let's go. Okay guys, so I am ready now, and you might think, अरे you are wearing the same t-shirt which you were wearing while sleeping. So guys, I was acting, मैं acting कर रहा था. Okay, so now I am going to go upstairs because I want to take my bag. I have put it under the sunlight so that it can dry up, because I washed it in the washing machine. Okay, now let's go and take the bag. Guys, we have to change the slippers whenever we go upstairs, so let's change our slippers so that the floor doesn't get dirty when we return back. Okay, today the weather is very good, right? That's my bag. Somebody kept his shoes also here, see, orange color shoes. Okay, so yeah, let's take it. The past few days it was too much of rain that I could not put my bag up to dry, but today the weather is good, there is sun out, so we all can dry our clothes, bags, shoes. Okay, now let's go downstairs. Guys, though it's sunny outside, but it's also cold outside, so I have to wear the jacket and go, otherwise I won't come back. Yeah, it's too cold outside, so it's important to wear the jacket. So yeah, see, I washed it, so the pocket is out. So guys, this is my second bag. I'm also carrying this one and this one, both. Why? Because sometimes I buy too much from Bongo Bazaar, that one bag is not enough to put all the stuff. Just for the safe side, I am carrying both the bags. Okay, so I am ready now, and now I will see you outside on my bicycle. Okay guys, I am outside now, and Mausam is very suhana, and see the locality, so beautiful, and the riverside. So this riverside I am going to take and reach towards Misato. It feels very good when there is sunlight and you are riding bicycle and it's a cold day, so mixed sensations, like cold, hot, like, so I'm enjoying it. Guys, if you think that there is no traffic jam in Japan, there is. Let me show you. So guys, Bongo Bazaar is a department store where you will see Japanese people selling the stuff, and there are Indians who are buying the stuff. There are Muslim countries people who are buying the stuff, because I have seen ladies wearing burqa buying stuff there. And the name of the shop is Bongo Bazaar, so it looks like that the person from Bengal owns it, because Bongo, like, you know, Bengalis. So you'll see mix of everything there, and there are multiple products. So yeah, in a bit I'm going to show you. So guys, here you can see these are only 2-3 steps to cross the road, but still people are waiting for them to cross the road, for the signal to turn into green. And as I told you in my previous video that in Japan they don't call it green signal, they call it blue signal, like not Midori Shingo, which is green signal, they call it Ao Shingo. Ao Shingo means blue signal, but yeah, it's green. I'll tell you the reason some other day, but for now, see, when it turned into green, they are calling. So guys, I told you now that it's too cold outside when I was in the room. So yeah, because I'm wearing jacket, so I am feeling hot here, but my face is extremely cold. You know, the cold wind is boom, going inside my nose and my ears. So my face temperature gets normal and then I will proceed. So abhi I'm feeling a little better, so I have started my ride now. So guys, before going to Bongo Bazaar, I am going to go to one Vietnam store where I will get the pudina, the mint leaves. So let's go there. Why I am coming to this store is because mint is not easily available in Japan. Not all the stores. So I have to come to this store, and this is on the way, so no problem. So this is the store. This is a small store, Vietnamese store, okay? And one cute cycle is standing here. This is battery cycle. The battery is there, right? So yeah, battery nahi bolne ka, but battery cycle. Battery nahi bolne. So guys, I think this is the Vietnam flag. I'm not sure. Everywhere this cloth is hanging, so I think this is Vietnam flag. So let's go inside and see if Pudina is there or not. Hello. Mint leaves. Mint leaves. Tamam, sochira nahi aru to moimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. So guys, unfortunately they don't have mint leaves, so I have to go without mint leaves. Now let's go to Bongo Bazaar and do our rest of the shopping. There you can see the Bongo Bazaar. And next to this Bongo Bazaar, there is one restaurant called Bongo Curry. So Bangladesh, India, Pakistan curry is there, and that is Bongo Bazaar. So this is how this store looks like. So let's park our bicycle here and then go inside. Guys, this is the parking for Bongo Bazaar. The car parking is there, and you know where I parked my bicycle, so that is the cycle parking. And let's go inside. ट्रॉली ले लेते हैं. This is how we put it. This is the jackfruit which I have seen in Chennai being sold a lot, like Tamil Nadu, right? So this is frozen jackfruit, but Vietnam. So this is 400 gram for 400 yen. So these are vegetable samosas, okay? And the price of this is 10 pieces, 378 yen. These will be the small samosas. Here are the parathas. So how many parathas are these? 5 pieces. Here you can see 5 pieces, and the price of this is 302 yen. These are some other parathas also, ready-made parathas, and the price is around 345 yen. So guys, here they have given the information like halal food display. Okay, so this is the halal certification. If you see these marks on a product, it means halal certification is there for that product. Here, Muslim friendly. If you see this like this written on a product, it means these are Muslim friendly. And also you will see on the price tag this red circle, okay, with a red circle, and here it's written Nihonjin no kata mo taberemasu, means the Japanese people can also eat. And here it is non-halal, means including pork. So I think this one Muslims can't eat, and yeah, this is also non-halal. So for all of them, Nihonjin no kata mo taberemasu, so Japanese people can eat it. So here 5 liter of sunflower oil is 1890 yen. Okay guys, so now this is chana dal. On all the products you will see Padma is written, so I think the owner of the so I think the name of the owner is Padma. So this is chana dal. Okay, and the price of this is 345 for 1 kg. Take 2 packets of chana dal. And here this is lobia. Lobia in English is called black eye. Okay, 1 kg 410 yen. So these are chole 1 kg, price is 410 yen. Rajma, this is rajma and 1 kg is 626 yen. I want this. These are broken cashews and 1 kg is 950 yen. So I'll take this. So guys, this is the Assam tea, okay, and the price of Assam tea 500 gram is 637 yen. There are soya chunks and the price of this is 321 yen for 200 grams. So I want this also. So this is the mango pickle and the price is 648 yen. Mixed pickle also 648 yen. These are the masalas, and all the masalas for 50 gram of quantity, the price is around 302 yen. I'm taking this chicken tikka masala and this korma masala. I think even if you don't put this masala in some chicken or some non-veg, even if you put it in rajma or dal, I think it will change the taste. So let me buy it. So this is a bit cheaper. So the price of this korma masala is 194 yen. There is momo masala as well and the price is 194 again. So guys, there we have ready-made food if somebody wants to buy. So you just have to warm it up. So let me show it to you. So guys, here you can see cheese naan. So this is 453 yen. And this is full tandoori chicken. The price is 1296. Here the price is written with tax. This is mutton biryani, 810 yen. And this is some Japanese dish, so 540, so you can leave it. So today I'm showing you the Indian dishes only. So chicken nuggets, so this is 378 yen. Guys, this is palak chicken curry and this is also 486 yen. बहुत ही कम quantity है, but 486 yen की है. And here this is butter chicken curry, 486 yen. Again, very less quantity, but yeah, a little expensive I would say. Guys, here are the masalas. देखो, cumin seeds is 842 yen for 500 gram. And here you can see red chili powder for 1 kg it is 950 yen. Turmeric powder 1 kg 734 yen. Coriander powder 1 kg is 734 yen. These are sabit lal mirch 500 gram 734 yen. So guys, बाकी यहाँ पे non-veg है. We have all the non-veg here, mutton, chicken, beef and all. So I don't eat beef and all at all. So I'm not going to show that. But I'm done with my shopping. Now let's do the billing. So guys, it's 5 o'clock right now. Here you can see, and it's dark here. Maybe in the phone, in the video, it doesn't look like that it's too dark, but yes, it is dark. And what I wanted to show you in this video, I have already shown. And still, if you have any comments, any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So for today's video, I'd like to end here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, press the like button, share it with others, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.